Hello everyone, my name is SATVIK. My topic is about voice sensing elevator. Introduction. A voice sensing elevator, also known as voice controlled elevator or voice activated elevator, is an elevator system that utilizes voice recognition technology to allow passengers to control the elevator's function and specify their desired floor or destination verbally. Instead of pressing buttons on a traditional elevator control panel, passengers can use spoken commands to operate elevator. Key features: speech recognition. The elevator can understand and interpret voice commands from passengers, allowing them to select floors and control other use profiles. Elevators may support user profiles, allowing regular occupants to set preference for personalized experience. Energy efficiency. Smart features can help optimize elevator usage to reduce energy consumption when not in heavy demand. Privacy consideration. Privacy features may be implemented to protect passengers' data and voice recordings. Materials used. Microphones. High quality microphones are essential for capturing passenger voice commands accurately. These microphones are typically designed to be sensitive to sound and capable of filtering out background noise. Voice recognition software. Specialized voice recognition software processes and interprets the spoken commands from passengers. This software is often integrated into central control system. The control system, which can be comprised of microcontrollers or computer-based system, manages the voice recognition software, processes voice commands, and controls the elevator operation. Speaker system. Elevator equipped with voice control typically include a speaker system for providing auditory feedback to passengers, confirming their commands and announcing selected floors or actions. Elevator button and control. While voice control is prominent feature, voice sensing elevator often retain traditional button controls, which may be made from material like plastic or other material. Display panel. Voice sensing elevator typically have an integrated display panel that shows the selected for direction and other relevant information. This display can composed of LCD or LED materials. Wiring and circuitry. Various electric components and wiring are essential for connecting and controlling the elevator functions, including those related to voice sensing. Safety components. Elevator must incorporate safety features such as sensor, emergency stop control, and interlocks. The material used for this safety component may include metals and various sensors. This is model of voice sensing elevator. Thank you.